This classic Tres Leches mug cake is fluffy, creamy, and ready in just minutes. Perfect for when that sweet craving hits right now and you want something warm, comforting, and totally irresistible. And the best part? No fancy skills, no complicated steps, just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. Let's get started. In a large microwave-safe mug, start by adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This creates that soft, tender crumb Tres Leches cakes are known for. Now sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder so it rises beautifully, and a tiny pinch of salt to balance all the milky flavors. Give it a quick whisk so everything blends evenly. Pour in 1 tablespoon of melted butter and half a tablespoon of oil to make it rich and moist. Add 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of yogurt for creaminess, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that warm, classic aroma. Mix it until smooth and silky, making sure to scrape the sides and bottom so every bit of flour disappears. Pop your mug into the microwave and cook for about 60 to 70 seconds. While the cake rests, let's make the Tres Leches soak. In a small cup, mix 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar or condensed milk, and a teaspoon of cream if you want it extra rich. Give it a quick stir. Using a fork or a toothpick, poke holes all over the warm cake. This helps it soak up every drop. Slowly pour the milk mixture over the cake, letting it sink in and make the sponge irresistibly moist. Let it rest for a minute or two so the flavors settle. Now let's prepare the frosting. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of softened butter. Beat it until creamy and smooth. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk to get that perfect spreading consistency. Spread this creamy frosting over the soaked cake, letting it melt slightly into the warm sponge. Finish with a dusting of cinnamon or add chocolate syrup. And just like that, you've got a warm, milky, cloud-soft Tres Leches mug cake with creamy frosting. It's cozy, indulgent, and ready whenever your dessert cravings strike. Loved this mug cake? You can grab my full mug cake recipe collection as a PDF on Etsy. Link in bio.